guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance 720. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we have a look at the New Balance 720s. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41.5, it's a US size 8. And there it is. We love the vintage look here at Oneupreviewz. We've done countless classic vintage inspired sneakers. So we've done on the New Balance line, we've done the New Balance 237s, 327s, and tons of Nikes. These reminds me of a Nike Cortez and the Nike Daybreaks. So check out our reviews of those if you're itching for a vintage feel. But we're here for the New Balance, and first look at these are really nice, honestly. Up there with that nice Cortez inspired sneakers that we're here for, we love, and these might be one of our new favorites. So let's just start with the outsole. And I am a sucker for gum outsoles. I love my Reeboks, obviously, and it just reminds me of that. You got this in the herringbone traction padding here, and it is all rubber. You can see the New Balance logo. It's like bang in the middle. Midsole unit, so this midsole unit is a foam midsole, very nice. It's incorporating that orange, complements the blue so nicely, and that's the whole unit of the midsole. Moving along onto the upper, so this upper is made out of a mix of materials, so you got your suedes and you got your synthetic materials. Looking at the toe box, so the mud guard, that's an all suede panel. You got your mesh, you got your nylon, that just makes it underneath, makes the complete body of the sneaker actually, if you look around. The New Balance logo on the medial and on the lateral side is all stitched on in this leather. We move along onto the heel, so the heel clip, that's a suede panel, very nice, and then above it you got the leather panel with the NB logo and New Balance lettering just there. The lacing system is a normal lace closure with the suede paneling here, and it's got nice flat laces. There isn't another pair of laces that these come in, so you've just got this nice off-white. The inner of the sneaker just complements the same color as the laces in this off-white colorway. And on the tongue, you got your NB New Balance logo there. Usually on the tongue, that's where you'd find your New Balance models, so 990s, 720. Well, you'd expect to find a 720 there, but it's not. Where you'll find it is on the inside of the sneaker, where it says New Balance 720 and a synthetic insole, it's an insole. And that rounds off my review, quick and easy. These are, in essence, the most easiest sneakers to wear, I'd say. Again, it reminds me of a lot of vintage runners, and just talking about vintage runners even some more, these remind me of the SL72s, those Adidas, especially the colorway, because it's in blue, and the nylon as well. It's got that same feel to it. But these are New Balance, and these are really easy. These were 65 on the New Balance website, but when I checked just before I did this review, you can get them for £45 at the time of this recording. So if you can, get a pair. I'll let you know how I feel about these on. So roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. These fit really well and they're very mad comfy. It's a great look. We love that vintage runner feel and I'm happy with this purchase. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.